Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best egg chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best egg chairs that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Christopher Knight Home CKH Wicker Teardrop Hanging Chair. This Christopher Knight Home Hanging Basket Swing Chair adds a fun lounge vibe to your outdoor space. Constructed with durable black-brown faux wicker and a sturdy iron frame, it's easy to care for and built to last. Our custom-fitted beige polyester seat cushions are made of a tough, yet soft, weatherproof fabric. The cushions are removable and washable. We created our comfortable teardrop hanging chair with wicker and iron for a sleek modern look. Our mid-century modern egg chair looks great with other yard and patio sets, accessories, and decor. This unique swinging chair is the perfect addition to any space outside, like a backyard patio, deck, in a sunroom or garden, or near a pool or outdoor bar. Knowing the dimensions of new patio furniture is essential to ensure that you get a chair that fits your needs. Our wicker chair is 23.5 D by 38 inches W by 48 inches H. Iron frame is 44 inches D by 44 inches W by 80 inches H. Moving on at number 4. We have the Radiata Foldable Wicker Rattan Hanging Egg Chair. This reasonably priced hanging chair has a lot of details we love. In particular, we appreciate the convenience of being able to easily fold up the chair for convenient storage. Other things that make this chair a good option: it has a relatively high weight capacity of 365 pounds, and the manufacturer provides a 1-year warranty. Plus, the chair is easy to assemble, and all the tools you'll need to complete this task come with the project. It comes with a pillow and seat cushion, and can be used either indoors or outside. Since it comes with a stand, you can also move it from one location to another. Note that it does weigh more than 50 pounds, so you likely won't want to move it frequently. This is one of the more budget-friendly options on the list, and we think it offers great value, considering you won't need to purchase anything additional and it's a high-quality and sturdy piece. At number 3, we have the Surpcos Round Hammock Chair Swing. Delight tweens and teens with this sweet boho-style hanging chair featuring macrame flourishes and string lights. With a weight capacity of up to 550 pounds, it can easily seat 1 or 2 people, perfect for your child and their BFF. The chair itself is lightweight, weighing in at 10.5 pounds. The chair comes with a hanging kit for ceiling installation, which should accommodate both concrete or wooden ceilings, but be warned that installation requires a drill, and may be a bit complex and require a visit to the hardware store to augment the materials included with the chair. We love that this hanging chair makes a statement, much like a small accent chair. It comes with 2 strings of battery-powered LED lights, one with stars and the other with orbs, so you can create your very own celestial experience. These lights mean that, in addition to being a place to sit, the chair provides soft illumination to the space it's in. The chair itself is made with a cotton, which is applied in a mesh pattern over the sturdy steel tubing. While it's a joy to sit in even without pillows, consider adding them or a fuzzy faux fur blanket to really max out this chair's coziness. At number 2, we have the Bulexyard Swing Egg Chair. This versatile egg chair, which comes with a chain and polyester cushions, can be hung either indoors or outside. The frame is made from aluminum, but wrapped in weatherproof polyethylene resin wicker to help it stand up to the elements. It's versatile, allowing you to hang it from the ceiling. You'll need to drill a hole, and then hang it with the hooks provided, or use the chain to hang the chair from a tree, a pole, or a stand. Stand or poles would need to be purchased separately. Plus, we love that it's designed so you can fold it down, making it quite compact and easy to pack in your car for camping trips. At just over 20 pounds, it's easy enough to carry when folded, too. This is a one-seater with a weight capacity of 265 pounds. Along with the easy assembly process and compact folded size, this chair is quite comfortable to sit in. Since it's made with durable materials, it can outlast outside elements and the wear and tear of use by kids. And finally, at number 1, we have the NICESOUL Indoor-Outdoor Patio Wicker Hanging Chair. This sturdy wicker frame option is ideal for both inside and outside, with a comfortable single cushion made from polyester. The chair itself is attached to a stand, which is so convenient. It means you don't have to do any complicated installation to ensure that you've found a beam that's strong enough to support the seat with a person in it. The initial assembly of this chair, building the stand and attaching the seat to it, is very easy, thanks to clear-cut directions. Plus, having the seat attached to a stand means you can easily move the chair from one spot to another. At a bit over 50 pounds, that requires a bit of effort, but is doable. The chair is made from weather-resistant materials and designed for durability. It offers a higher weight capacity and can support up to 350 pounds. Once you're in the chair, you'll find it quite comfortable. It's cozy enough for a long chat with friends, reading a book, or even taking a nap.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.